are WISE, an independent international intelligence organization operating at the highest level of secrecy to protect the world from dangers. A few hours ago, your city was targeted by a large-scale cyber attack. As a result, there's been a massive breakdown of the entire power grid. A real blackout is imminent. Currently, the whole city is running on backup power only. To prevent mass panic, this information is still fully classified and no one knows it apart from us. In recent months, our organization registered several brief power outages at various locations. We assumed that these were tests in preparation for the large-scale hacking operation. By chance, our agents caught a saboteur last night at one of the main hubs in the city. The person in question is a certain Carl Lehman. According to our information, Lehman is an experienced hacker who worked for various criminal groups. Unfortunately, Lehman managed to get away from us during the transfer to our secure facility, but he lost a bag with personal items. This is our only lead. If we don't stop the blackout, in a few hours, virtually nothing that needs electricity will work here. Within 7 days, there will be complete anarchy. To stop the blackout, we have chosen you as our agents, and here is your mission. The city power grid is made of several nodes. Find the hacked nodes and bring them back under your control. Somewhere in the city, there must be a secret emergency generator. Find this generator and restore the power to the city. We believe that Lehman is not working alone. Whoever is pulling the strings here has enormous power. Find out who's behind all this. You only have a little time left before the backup reserves give up and the blackout begins. To save time, we'll provide you with an experienced supervisor, Agent Hunt. We have also equipped you with our most advanced action pack with important items for your mission. To solve this dangerous mission, we have made available for you a brand new special ability, hacking. Use this option to hack potential opponents and put them out of action. As the city is full of double agents who may want to stop you, try to be as inconspicuous as possible and trust no one. Are you ready? Good luck. Over and out.